Well, I'm Michael Kraft, the CEO of the Coretec Group. And the Coretec Group is an advanced materials company, and currently we're working on a silicon precursor, or a molecule that produces pure silicon. It goes in several applications, typically in things like silicon anode batteries, LEDs, and semiconductors are the three focused applications we're working on right now. Well, our customers are people that make those products. So it would be a semiconductor manufacturer, and it would be an LED manufacturer, and it would probably be a lithium-ion battery manufacturer today that's improving it for higher capacity, and it would make a silicon anode instead of just a carbon anode. There's a need in both of these, well, all three of these markets I mentioned, that you have to have a low temperature process for a lot of the advantages that you can get, and it's basically getting it to be non-crystalline or low temperature. So when you're making a semiconductor chip, they've wanted this for years. They just didn't have this molecule available. So we've actually worked for three or 4 years now to work on the IP. We got to the point where that IP was, solid enough that we could bring it to the market. And so customers have been really waiting for this material, and it's a costly material, but people want it, the value that it provides, and it provides a lot faster process. It improves cost of the material of the products they make, and it allows them to use other materials, like in a semiconductor chip. Next generation memory, next generation processors are looking for these low temperature processes. We just contracted to get a major chemical supplier to produce our silicon precursor. We've announced that a few months ago, and we'll have by the end of the year the first samples that our customers will get delivery of, so they can start building their products using this new material. Almost all these applications are, the R&D and the development is done in the United States. So yes, we're on more Zoom calls. We're not getting on planes and going face to face with our customers, but it's pretty easy to talk about research, do a whiteboard, virtually. And so we've really not changed a lot, and I don't think our customers have either. For us, just trying to get back to normal so we can work face to face, but with our customers it's just been more Zoom calls.
Michelle Tokarz. I am the Director of Sales and Marketing. I'm leading the customer discovery effort right now. Ann Arbor is, out of the whole country, one of the best places to get technical talent. Part of that's the university, is right in our backyard, and it's in the entrepreneurial ecosystem too. It's, you need a certain skill set. You got to be able to do certain things. You have to have certain training, but it's an attitude also, and it's something that, in my opinion, can't be trained. You either have it or you don't. And if you're in Ann Arbor and you're in the entrepreneurial ecosystem, you probably got it. As Michael has suggested, right now we're real big on the customer discovery and building up the sales pipeline and the marketing. The next hire is going to be a marketing intern. There's just a lot that has to go into building up that pipeline, and it's typical marketing and sales kind of skills, and the ability to kind of get things a little bit quickly too. And I'm a startup, so again, I'm all about the customer discovery and a data-driven customer discovery.